Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your life easier and more fun. Today, we're diving into the world of costumes, and we have something special for you. The SATINIOR 7PC's Gnome Hat Felt Crayon Costume Hat. If you're on the hunt for the best crayon hat for your next cosplay or themed party, this set is a must-have. Let's start with the basics. This set comes with 7 vibrant cone-shaped hats, each in a different color: red, green, brown, blue, yellow, orange, and purple. These colors are perfect for a rainbow-themed costume, a quirky birthday party, or a fun-filled Halloween event. The hats are made of high-quality felt material, making them both lightweight and durable. That means you can wear them all day without feeling weighed down or uncomfortable. Each hat measures about 11.8 inches in height, with a girth of approximately 23.6 inches, which makes them a universal size that fits most head sizes comfortably. Whether you're an adult or a kid, these hats are designed to fit everyone, so no one gets left out of the fun. These hats are more than just accessories. They are a ticket to creativity. Use them for cosplay events, Halloween costumes, or dramatic performances. Imagine dressing up as a colorful gnome or a quirky elf. These hats are the perfect finishing touch to bring your costume to life. Not only are they fantastic for individual wear, but they also make great party favors. Share the fun with your friends and family, and watch everyone light up with joy. But the best part? These hats are versatile. Beyond Halloween, they're great for costume parties, theater productions, and even just dressing up for a good time. They're easy to store, lightweight, and, best of all, affordable. So if you're looking to elevate your costume game, the SATINIOR 7PC's Gnome Hat set is your go-to solution. So there you have it. If you're ready to step up your costume game, these crayon hats are exactly what you need. They're fun, colorful, and, most importantly, they'll make you the center of attention at any event. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews on the best products out there.